Hello, students. Hope all of you are enjoying this unexpected scenario of the world. Means lockdown period. In start, it seems that whatever the problems are coming, that is only for 10 to 15 days, but the scenario is now very means critical, and it is becoming more critical. We are not having any understanding ki what to do and what not to do. We are in dilemma. The word dilemma you know ना, दुविधा में कि ऐसी परिस्थिति में आखिर जाएं तो जाएं कहाँ. हमारी भी हालत उस लेंचो की तरह हो गई है. Hope some of you may try this experiment. Write a letter to a god. ओके लेंचो ने लेटर क्यों लिखा था? बिकॉज ही वॉज इन प्रॉब्लम. सो टुडे नाउ डेज वी ऑल आर इन प्रॉब्लम. वी आर होपिंग टू कमिंग स्कूल. वी आर ऑल्सो eager to take a class, but all are helpless. School are closed. Means you are of your own mind. Means you can do according to your own. Let's leave the matter. Let's pray to the god. Don't write a letter to god. Let's pray. And on this period you have to prepare very well, because you are in class 12th, sorry, class 10th. You have to appear in the exam, because time तो जो है वो तो चलते रहेगा. टाइम वेट फॉर नन. वो नहीं वेट करेगा कि आपका लॉकडाउन है या क्या है. For that, we are continuing the class. Hope some of you are getting a point. Some of you are asking a question. Some of you are means giving the answer also. Let's start. In the last class, I have given the summary and some of the outlines of the letter to the god. Letter to God. I hope you all of you understand the story very well. The story is very easy. That is of a farmer who is facing a big problem. जो कि एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है, क्योंकि उसकी सारी जो फसल क्या है, नष्ट हो जाती है. अंडरस्टूड. तो वो लेटर लिखता है गॉड को, और उससे क्या करता है, इसका कंपेंसेशन मांगता है कि जो मेरी नुकसान हुई है उसका कंपेंसेशन यू हैव टू गिव. What a firm belief in God. We are also facing some problem. Who will our God? Who will be our God? Here, who is the God for the Lancho? Who is the God for a Lancho? For a God, post office employees are the behaving here as a God. But the help from the post office employees side was mistaken, misjudged by the Lancho. It happens in our daily life. ये हमारे डेली लाइफ में होता है कि हमें कोई मदद करता है और हम उसकी मदद को क्या समझते हैं, एहसान फरामोश, या उसको हम गलत वे में ले लेते हैं. ये हमारी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है. सो लेंचो जो कि इसका सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है, जो कि इसका प्रोटागोनिस्ट है, उसकी कैरेक्टर को हमें समझना इस स्टोरी में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन टुडेज क्लास वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वेश्चन विच इज मोस्टली आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द लेटर टू द गॉड. आई होप you all of you understand and go through chapter once. Now we are going to discuss the important points and the explanation and the question कि what type of question is are going to become, क्या जो expected question हो सकते हैं, most important question हो सकते हैं इस chapter से, वो क्या हो सकते हैं. Let's start. Letter to God, as you know. Letter to God, as you know. First of all, we just discuss about the title, that is, suppose the question will come, justify the letter to God. We have to start by giving the A small introduction of Lancho. Lancho was facing a big problem due to the ruin in the hailstorm. Due to the hailstorm, he thought that hailstorm happened due to the God. So God will compensate me. Suppose फ्रॉम यू साइड अगर आपका कोई नुकसान करता है कोई भी सामान तो आप उसी से उसका क्या करते हैं भुगतान करते हैं. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो हैपन. इसका जब फसल नुकसान हुआ तो ये सीधे गॉड को उसके लिए जिम्मेदार ठहराता है. कहता है गॉड इज नॉट सो गुड. ओके, गॉड इतना मतलब निर्दयी नहीं हो सकता है. ही विल डेफिनेटली बिलीव यू. So, character of the Lancho when we are writing, we will deal with Lancho is a hard worker farmer. He is a ox in a field. Ox, why he compared to ox? Because ox is very hard worker. He just right, he is hard worker. Okay, and he is a well predictor of the weather. In the start we find कि वो weather की जो prediction करता है वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से करता है. ही एक्सपेक्ट कि टुडे इट इज गोइंग टू बी समर बट ही फेल्ड टू द कन्वर्शन. द रेन ड्रॉप्स कन्वर्ट इनटू द हेल स्टॉर्म एंड नाउ देयर इज अ ट्विस्ट हैपनिंग इन द स्टोरी. सो इन डीलिंग विद द कैरेक्टर यू जस्ट राइट दिस पॉइंट कि Lancho is the protagonist of the chapter written by Z.L. Flint entitled A Letter to God. He was a very hard worker farmer who works like an ox in the field. Okay, he is a well predictor of the weather. Okay, he is the forecaster of the weather. He lives alone with his family in the crest of a hill. Okay. After that, the main point is that he has a very important complete faith in God. Means unrival faith in God. कोई भी उसकी जो गॉड के प्रति फेथ थी उसको वो डिगा नहीं सकता था. Nobody can means reveal the faith in God. That is why he decided to write a letter to God. गॉड को वो पत्र लिखने के बारे में सोचता है एंड पोस्टेड इट. ओके, नाउ अ न्यू कैरेक्टर ऑकर्स इन द स्टोरी, postmaster and employees. After seeing the letter, after seeing the letter, we find that the things is happening. On the first time, we find that just a minute. On the first time, we find the problem is occur. Post office employees were very amused by seeing for the first time this type of letter who is addressed to God. जो कि गॉड को एड्रेस किया गया था उसको देखकर कि वो बहुत ही क्या करते हैं मतलब सोचते हैं कि हु इज दिस मैन हु हैज जस्ट रिटन अ लेटर टू गॉड. सो जस्ट दे ट्राई टू सी द कंडीशन. लेट्स फाइंड हु इज द मैन. व्हेन दे रीड अ लेटर वी डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर फीलिंग सॉरी फॉर द फार्मर लैंचो. वो लैंचो के लिए क्या करते हैं सॉरी फील करते हैं एंड अंडरस्टैंड द कंडीशन और कंडीशन को भापते हैं एंड और बहुत ही ज्यादा क्या होते हैं प्रेरित होते हैं. दे इंस्पायर्स अ लॉट. व्हाट अ बिलीफ इन गॉड. ये क्वेश्चन आता है कंप्लीट फेथ इन गॉड. जस्ट प्रूफ योर पॉइंट. जस्ट जस्टिफाई योर पॉइंट. फॉर जस्टिफाइंग योर पॉइंट मीन्स कंप्लीट फेथ इन गॉड we have what a complete letter means we want a compensation of 100 pesos. मतलब उसको विश्वास था कि 100 pesos की मदद उसे गॉड करेगा. That is why he has written a letter to a God. Now post office employees are in dilemma. and they thought not to second the faith of Lencho in God. कि अभी भी जो भगवान के प्रति लोगों का विश्वास है उसको हमें क्या करना है, तोड़ना नहीं है. We can't break this belief, and that is why he collect money. He himself, post office postmaster himself, give a part of his salary, but he is not able to collect the whole money, that is 100 pesos. 100 pesos वो इकट्ठा नहीं कर पाता है, लेकिन he could manage 70 pesos. He could manage 70 pesos को वो मैनेज कर लेता है, और 70 pesos को क्या करता है वो जाकर के उसको रिटर्न कर लेता है. Understood? Now, if we have to deal with the character of post office employees, we just write all this thing कि they are very helpful, although they are a jolly type of people. In the first we see that they just amused. That is the natural phenomena. ये नेचुरल है. कोई भी देखेगा कि भगवान के प्रति पत्र, तो एक तरह से ये थोड़ा सा जॉली टाइप का होगा. दिस इज रिडिक्यूलस. बट आफ्टर दैट they have the humanity, a kind of humanity we are observing in the post office employees. post office employees के माइंड में हम क्या, उनके अंदर ह्यूमैनिटी, मानवता देखते हैं. हाउ? बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंडीशन ऑफ लैंचो की कंडीशन को, क्योंकि उसकी फसल पूरी बर्बाद हो गई थी. उसकी कंप्लीट फैमिली जो क्या करती थी, डिपेंड इस फसल पर निर्भर करती थी, और वो अब एक पूरी तरह से हताश था, और वो एक लेटर लिखता है गॉड को. सो उन्होंने दे जस्ट थॉट नॉट टू सेकेंड द फेथ ऑफ लैंचो का जो ये भरोसा है उसको वो क्या करेंगे, उसको मतलब हिलाएंगे नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई दे कलेक्ट. ओके, सो दे आर अ सिम्टम्स ऑफ, means they are an excellent example of humanity. मानवता के बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण थे पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज. ओके, they just return to letter to God. But what happened when Lencho received the letter? The postmaster is looking from his office. He became angry. Question often comes कि why did Lencho get angry on receiving the 70 pesos? On receiving the 70 pesos, because Lencho is that type of person who has complete faith in God, जिसको गॉड के ऊपर अटूट विश्वास थी. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम गॉड कैन डू नथिंग रॉन्ग. गॉड कभी कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं सकता है. और वो क्या सोचता है कि गॉड मुझे 100 पैसों ही दिया था. अगेन वी हैव अ कंप्लीट फेथ इन गॉड. अकॉर्डिंग टू लैंचो, गॉड कैन नेवर डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. गॉड कभी भी कुछ गलत नहीं कर सकता है. और ये he just mistaken. This is very very important part of the chapter. He has just mistaken कि that 30 pesos has been taken by this post office fellows. ये पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज जो है, और उन्होंने इस 30 pesos को उसको ले लिया. Again he decided to write a letter. Here also the firm belief of God in the लैंचो का जो गॉड के प्रति विश्वास था एक बार फिर सामने आता है, क्योंकि ये फिर से लेटर लिखता है एंड रीराइट द लेटर एंड आस्किंग द 30 pesos, क्योंकि उसको विश्वास है कि गॉड तो कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं सकता है, और ये 30 pesos को भी उसको. बट ही फेल टू जज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज. in the story you find how expression of anger we can see from his face. Okay, this is the irony of situation. Irony, you know what? Irony is the opposite of expected things, reverse situation of anything which is expected. जब भी आप कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करें और उसका ठीक उल्टा हो जाए, कुछ आप पूरा का पूरा एक्सपेक्ट करें और ठीक उसका उल्टा हो जाए, तो वैसे सिचुएशन को क्या करेंगे, वैसे सिचुएशन को आयरनी बोलते हैं, जिसको हिंदी में हम कर सकते हैं विडंबना. Here the same thing is happen. The irony of situation we find when post office employees give their best part to serve Lancho, but Lancho has mistaken and he say the post office employees are the bunch of crooks. He just tried in his second letter not to send the money through the medium of post office employees, although he did not mention any other medium, but he just denied the fact कि not to send the money through the post office employees, and the words used to award them the bunch of crooks. This is called irony. Means what an irony we see here कि the person who helped Lancho, on the same person the Lancho awarded them bunch of crooks. Crooks means dishonest person. This is called the irony of situation. So this type of question when comes, what is the irony? Irony you have to define in the single word. Irony is the reverse or opposite of any expected thing. Here Lancho blamed the post office employees instead of thanking them. Because post office employees themselves help Lancho, but instead of thanking the post office employees, they called them bunch of crooks. Instead of thanking, he abused them. He just dishonored them. Understood? In this way we can say this is called the irony of the situation. Okay, so this question title you can say a letter to God, because Lancho is the main character who has written a letter to God, and the whole story revolves around a letter to God. The second character, Lancho character, you can understand there is many things to write about a character of Lancho. Post office employees, you can write irony of situation, how you have to deal with this question I have also write. Okay, now conflict means जो मतलब कि conflict जो मतलब दो पक्ष थे, ठीक है, जिनके बीच टकराव था, ठीक है. Here the two conflict has been dealt, that is of human and nature. The first conflict is of human and nature. Human stand for the Lancho and nature stand of the unexpected hailstorm. Okay, means Lancho was very happy in the start and he expected a shower of rain. Although shower of the rain comes to him, but nature revel and just start with the second. ओके, ह्यूमन और नेचर मतलब ह्यूमन मानव और नेचर में किस तरह का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देखा गया है इन द स्टार्ट विदाउट एनी मीन्स सडन कमिंग ऑफ द हेल स्टॉर्म, एंड दैट इज द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन ह्यूमन देमसेल्फ. Here human stand for the Lancho and themselves. Human and post office employees are also the human beings, but they both have another type of value or another type of thinking in themselves. एक दूसरे के लिए अलग अलग भावना थी. Understood? On the one hand we have post office employees who wants to help the needy Lancho, जो कि नीडी Lancho का क्या करना चाहता था, मदद करना चाहता था. लेकिन हम यहाँ पे Lancho को देखते हैं कि जो उनका मदद करता है उन्हीं को वो क्या करता है, उन्हीं को बेईमान घोषित कर देता है. So here the conflict, two type of conflict. First from the human and nature, means nature is unexpected, means human, that is Lancho, who is expected a shower of rain, but nature provide him what? Provide him hailstorm. Okay, secondly between human themselves, on the one side we have post office employees who who wants to help needy Lancho, but Lancho is, instead of thanking the post office employees, he blamed them for doing this type of things. Understood? Means entire chapter, I think this fourth question is quite important. First is of title, second is of character, third is of irony, and fourth is of conflicts. Beside this, you have some NCRT question. You can just go through it, and if you have any problem or any question you have, you can ask with various links. And hope you understand this chapter very well. You just ask. And some of the points is there in the chapter. You just go through it, and if you have any problem, you just ask. Okay. Hope you understand it. Thank you.